mankind has always dreamed of being immortal because of death, diseases, and old age. From ancient times to the 21st century, men and women around the world have wanted to know the secret to make them live forever. Poets and writers have been inspired by the topic of a substance that can maintain life indefinitely. Medical science has made many advances so that today we can cure people with diseases that couldn't be treated in the past. Primitive man has discovered that before we die, we become old. Old age is an important step in our life and it can be avoided. In 1961, Leonard Affleck, professor of anatomy at the University of California and former president of the Gerontological Society of America, discovered that cultured human cells can separate up to 50 times. After that, they become senescent and aren't able to divide themselves. This limited process is called Affleck limit. Today we know that not all human cells can separate a finite number of times. There are some which can live forever and give rise to more specialized cell types. These are called stem cells. All of these cells have a potential which defines the ability to create certain cell types. Because of this ability, stem cells have been studied for the development of therapies to treat and replace damaged cells, which are the main cause of many disorders. 10 years after Affleck's discovery, scientists and researchers have made progress in the study of telomeres, which are segments of DNA at the end of chromosomes. During the chromosome division, enzymes that duplicate DNA cannot copy chromosomes entirely. For this reason, telomeres become shorter and some information gets lost. Thus we get old because this is one of the steps of the aging process. In 1982, Barry Sears was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discoveries on some specialized hormones which play an essential role in the development of many diseases. These hormones are called eicosanoids. In one of his books, Dr. Sears stated that the balance is important in order to have an healthy organism. He explained that all of them are produced by essential fatty acids, which can be divided into two types, omega-3 and omega-6. These are one of the three important micronutrients that our body isn't able to produce it by itself. Therefore, it's important to assimilate them through a balanced diet. Nutrients are organic and inorganic substances that our body must absorb to live. There are two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. The first group includes carbohydrates, proteins and fats or lipids. The other includes vitamins and minerals. Barry Sears maintains that in order to be healthy, we need to treat food as a drug. For this reason, he explained how we should eat and why. According to his book, carbohydrates are organic substances that grow in the ground and don't move around, which means that in many cases they don't come from animals. Proteins are substances which are made of amino acids, are involved in the chemical processes essential for life. Some amino acids can be synthesized by our body. Fats are substances that are made of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, which are essential to transport some types of vitamins through our organism. Fatty acids play also a vital role in maintaining body temperature and in maintaining healthy hair and skin. Vitamins are organic compounds needed by our body to be healthy. Some of them are essential while others can be produced by our organism. Minerals are significant for our body to build bones, make hormones and regulate our heartbeat. And they can be synthesized. Many gerontological companies have also studied centenarians, starting with the longest confirmed human lifespan in history, a French woman named Jean-Louise Calment, who won the Guinness World Record and died at the age of 122. She had an apparently normal life unless we consider certain habits. She rode a bicycle until the age of 100, smoked a cigarette until the age of 118, and ate a kilo of chocolate a week. Is it possible for all of us to live so long? Neil Barzilai, professor of the Department of Medicine at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine, has conducted a study, the Longevity Gene Project. Findings of this study have shown that some longevity genes have been inherited and that telomeres, again, have a crucial role in people, because in centenarians they are longer.
Most of us do not have longevity genes. For most of us, our aging is 80% modulated by the environment and 20% by genes. You may be wondering how this study helps you and everybody around us. The results of this research can be directly translated into development of a drug. Now, many people are saying, oh, genetic research, does it mean we're going to have genetic treatment? No, the answer is not. We can have a drug therapy. We can have a drug therapy will interfere and imitate exactly what those genes are doing.
This is what modern medicine has discovered, but there is also another important method to cure people: non-conventional medicine. Modern medicine is the science of the treatment of illness which cure the symptoms of patients when they contract a disease. Non-conventional medicine, also known as traditional or alternative medicine, has been used since ancient times, and it is not only focused on the physical body, but also on the mind and spirit. The ingredients used by traditional medicine are for the most part produced by herbs and certain production processes which lead to finished herbal products. Aloe vera was used in ancient Egypt about 6,000 years ago. In ancient history it was used to heal wounds, to heal altered skin condition, and as a laxative. Today we know that it has also many other uses. Medical science has gained momentum to cure many diseases related to the aging process, but is still far from reaching the goal of curing all of them and prolonging life. We have discovered drugs, diets, therapies and lifestyles that give us the opportunity to live healthier, but not forever. We are still trying to achieve this target, which means that health is extremely important for us. We will always be willing to try new therapies that someone will want to sell us. We are the only animals that can cure themselves. We spend a lot of money in moisturizer, lotions, pills and beauty creams to avoid reaching old age. We are unwilling to accept our fate, so we have learned from our mistakes on how to keep away death and old age. This resistance gives us the opportunity to study the environment and learn how it works.